How to clone app in Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can clone app in Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Samsung's One UI has two ways of doing this. Now first of all, you can open up the settings app. One way we're going to do it is by using dual accounts. So we can go to advanced features over here, and then you can simply select dual messenger option here, right? So tap on dual messenger and you can simply create a copy of another app. So let's say I want another Instagram app. I'll turn on Instagram, I'll tap on install, tap on confirm. Then I can also choose to use a separate contact list, tap on the OK option, and then you can simply turn on dual messenger for the Instagram app, and it will install two separate Instagram applications, and you can use two different accounts. So by default, you can see, if I just show you over here, I will show you as well. I have the normal Instagram app, and after that I will also have the second Instagram application, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically clone app on Samsung Galaxy device. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.